Alright guys, so I wanted to do a quick review on my Majority Compact Bluetooth soundbar. Look how clean this white looks on this soundbar. Looks really good. Let me turn it on. So I have this one hooked up here in my game room. I'm gonna fire it on. So I have it on connected to the switch. This is the remote that it comes with. Like I said, it also does have Bluetooth. I like that, like when I have it on YouTube, I can change it to flat, rock, or jazz, like whatever best fits. And like I said, it gets really good sound. Like, look at that right there. I'm gonna put it down and then I'm gonna just show you. So like I said, it does have the aux right here and the power buttons. And then on the back, got your optical and your USB. Looks really good. So if you're looking for a nice quality sounding soundbar, this one right here by Majority, definitely recommend. 10 out of 10.